Hi you guys, and I am back with another headband wig, our favorites. You're really gonna like this one. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is the wig. It's a kinky curly texture. As you can see, it has the velcro strap to secure the wig in the back, and it also has combs. So I am adjusting the wig now. Excuse my daughter, she loves to play in hair and she was sitting right beside me. So I'm just making sure that it's on correctly, that the combs are clipped in, and that it's in the right place. Okay, so now I'm just going to place a headband on top just to give it some color. And I'm going to just fluff it out a little bit. It really doesn't need it. The texture is already super natural. It's already got a lot of volume, so it's really good to go. Now, what's a headband wig without a half up, half down style? That is going to be the next style, and there's no particular method. I'm just feeling my way around so that I can pull some of the hair up and leave some of it down. And I'm going to use a elastic bow. Since this hair is short, it will not be hard to do, and I'm just going to secure it that way. Alright, I am going to proceed to the next style and take all of this down. I was looking a little crazy, but it's okay. We gonna get it together. So I'm gonna take this little tube thing. I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, just let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna take this and I'm going to put it around my neck so that I can pull the hair up into a different style. I was trying to not get any makeup on it, and you can wear it like this as a regular headband, but I'm gonna actually use it to pull all of the hair up and forward. And y'all see I got this thing backwards, right? So I'm gonna have to run this back real quick. Now it is the right way. And I'm going to pull the hair up as I was attempting to do earlier. Now I'm just adjusting it in the back, because since it's wide, I want to make sure the back of the wig is covered and the sides as well, because you want it to look natural. You don't want to walk around with your wig showing. And now I'm just kind of fighting with it, kind of trying to get into position, but it came out pretty good. I love this. This is too cute. Looks very, very natural. Alright you guys, as usual, thank you for watching. This wig is Kinky Curly. It will match 3C/4A hair, and I like it because it looks very, very natural. Especially in this style, you wouldn't be able to tell that it is a wig. Again, I want to thank you guys, and I'll see you for the next video.